Mastering compound prepositions in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be delving into the world of compound prepositions, specifically how to use them with different types of words. If you're unfamiliar, compound prepositions are simply prepositions made up of two or more words. They can be a little tricky to master, but don't worry, we're going to break it all down. First things first, let's understand what compound prepositions are. As the name suggests, compound prepositions are prepositions that consist of two or more words. They function just like simple prepositions, indicating relationships in time, place, or manner, among other things. Common examples include according to, except for, because of, and in front of. Let's start by looking at how compound prepositions interact with nouns. They can often help in describing the relationship between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence. For example, he sat in front of the television. She was absent because of an illness. In both these sentences, the compound preposition connects a noun, television, illness, to the rest of the sentence. Compound prepositions also pair with verbs to express various relationships. They can offer more detail about the action taking place. Consider these examples. He jumped out of the window. She apologized for being late. Here, the compound prepositions, out of, for, connect a verb, jumped, apologized, to the rest of the sentence. Compound prepositions can also accompany adjectives to provide more context and make sentences more informative. For instance, I am happy because of you. He is confident in spite of his failures. In these examples, the compound prepositions, because of, in spite of, link an adjective, happy, confident, to the rest of the sentence. So, there you have it. The key to mastering compound prepositions lies in understanding how they interact with different types of words. Practice is your best friend here. The more you use compound prepositions in your sentences, the more natural they will feel. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.